This is big news. This is a big change.
Alright, ito nakita lang namin pagbabago sa income requirements para sa mga aplikante ng Super Visa. Ano ba yung mga main points dito, Kaiden?
Okay po 'no, Miss Rhea. So it was announced March 20th of this year, but it will be effective on March 31st, 2026. So in few days. Ngayon, dati kasi ang requirement nila for the income is kung ano yung present na taxation year. However, with the ease of super visa requirement for the income, so everything else remains, it's just the income proof yung medyo niluwagan nila, no? So there are two options. One po is you can choose na between the last two na recent na taxation year. So if for instance, yung recent taxation year is lower than your previous one, then you can use the previous one. Before kasi you cannot do that. You can only stick with the recent taxation year. So that's the first option. And then the second option is if for instance kulang yung income ng host and then kung meron man siyang co-guarantor or co-sponsor, pwede din isama yung income nung mismong ini-sponsor na parents or grandparents. So, for instance lang, meron silang retirement funds or any savings or anything na pwede nilang i-add as additional income proof, then that can be added. Before kasi hindi po So, like, nagre-rely lang mismo doon sa host and co-sponsor.
Is this big? This is big. This is big news. This is a big change.
Yes po, yes po. Actually, so far, no, puro naririnig natin is puro paghihigpit, puro nagbabawas. So, this one is good.